everybody, welcome back to my channel, All About Alex. I'm just joining you here to do a Christmas segment called Baking with the Grands. So we're gonna try to bake some sugar cookies for Christmas. This is Malaysia. Say hi, Malaysia. Hi, Ava. Say hi. Hi. And we're gonna bake some cookies today. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in seeing, I think it's going to be pretty interesting. Stay tuned, and here we go. So first we have to open our bag of cookies, and I'm just using the Betty Crocker cookies. I felt like that would be easier for us to do since they're little. So first we have to obviously open it, and then we're going to do 3 tablespoons of flour and 1 stick of butter and 1 egg. So not too difficult. So I'll have Malaysia go ahead and pour the cookie dough into the bowl. Go ahead and pour it in here, baby. Here. Pour it in the bowl. Pour it in there. Yay, good job, Malaysia Boo. You get it all in there? Let's get some more in there. Let's get some more. You gotta get the rest of it. Okay, good job. Okay. Yeah. Now we gotta do 1 egg. So we gotta go like this. And then we open it. Wow. Hold on. So now we have to do the butter. So Grandma's gonna melt the butter. Stay right there. So Grandma's gonna melt the butter so we can put this in here. Yeah. We gotta melt it and then we're gonna put it in there. Yeah. Yeah, we gotta open. And we'll break it. Put it in there. And then we'll put it in the microwave so we can melt it, okay? Wait, we gotta melt it first. Hold on. Okay, so stay right there. Pour it in, Boo. Gotta be careful. Okay, let's pour it in. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Good job. So now we have to stir it up. Hold on, let me start and then you can do it, okay? Okay, you want to do it some? You do some. Good job. Get it stirred up really good. Here, let Sissy try. Here, you try, Sissy. Good job, Sissy. Good job. Okay, let Grandma do some more. Because we gotta get it stirred all up. Hold on, Ava. Hold on. Put some more in there. Ooh, this is gonna be so good. have to make our shapes. Hold on. Oh no. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little bit of flour in here. Mix it all around. Yeah. Then we're gonna take, look, we're gonna take some little pieces. Let's put this right here. And we're gonna make shapes out of it. So we'll take it, flatten it out, smash it. Smash it real good. Smash it, smash it, smash it. Yay, good job. Yeah. You smash it, Mama. Good job. Okay, now look what we can do. Look. Hold on. So now. Okay. So now we take it and we press down. And we're going to take your hand and we're going to press. Okay, so we leave that one. We're going to put this one over here on the tray. We're going to bake this one. Hold on. Look, let's put this one over here. Wait. Ava's eating up all the cookie dough. Okay, so let's get another one. And we'll make another ball. I'm gonna put it in the flour. Roll it up. You wanna roll it? Roll it. Roll it. Good job. Okay, now what shape do you want to make? This one? Or this one? Christmas tree. A Christmas tree? Okay. So smash it. Smash it. Okay, now put the Christmas tree on it. Yay! Wow, look at it. Okay, so we'll take this one and we'll put it over here, okay? Wait. Well, no, we don't need these pieces yet. We can use these to make some more cookies. So we get some more. And we get some more flour. No. No. Do you want to do one? Do you want to do one? You want to do one? Hold on, let Sissy do one, okay? Okay, so let's put it down there, let's smash it. Good job, Asia. Good job. Okay, so let's do this one. Let's see what we got. Wow! It looks so cute. Okay, let's just make some more balls. We got our 3 shapes. Come on, let's just make some more cookies.
More cookies? Yes.
Here, you ball this one up. Roll it up.
Okay, roll.
Yep, roll it up.
Roll.
Okay, smash it. You roll that one. Smash it, Angel. Smash it. Smash it on there. Good job, Angel Wager. Oh, this is a good one, Angel. Look, this is a good one. Here, we'll put it over here, okay? We're gonna put them in the oven, and they're supposed to bake around 10 minutes or so. Put them in the oven, you gotta watch out. No, hot. You gotta stand back, right?
1, 2, 3.
Put them in there.
1, 2.
Good job, Asia Good. Okay, so now we'll clean up our mess while we're waiting on them to get done, okay? You want to help me put the dishes in the dishwasher? Okay, let's put the dishes in the dishwasher. Okay, so now the cookies are finished. As you can see, Yaja's already taste testing. Are they good, Yaja? Are they good? Yay! Okay, so now what we're going to do is put some sprinkles on them. I already put a little bit of sugar on them when they were still hot. And now we're going to sprinkle some sprinkles on them. So can you hold this, Yaja? Some on this one. Uh-oh. And we got sprinkles everywhere. But that's okay. As you can see, our shapes really didn't turn out well. We got a little Christmas tree here. That was a stocking. And this was supposed to be a truck, but they still taste good, right? Are they good? You want to try this one? How is it? Okay. So, and then I just have some over here that we just made plain circles. And we're just gonna have our milk and our cookies. And I'm gonna have a nice warm cup of tea with mine. And we just wanna say thank you for joining us and watching us as we tape our first Baking with the Grands. And we hope you have a very blessed and wonderful day. Thank you.